Ready to have your mind blown? Today, we're diving into 10 geography facts about Africa that sound completely fake but are 100% real. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew. Let's kick things off with a big one. Number 1. You can fit the USA, China, India, Japan, and most of Europe inside Africa and still have room to spare. That's right, Africa is massive, covering over 30 million square kilometers. It's so big that it completely messes with our perception of world maps. Most maps we use, like the Mercator Projection, distort the size of countries near the poles, making places like Greenland look huge while shrinking Africa. In reality, Africa is a continent of staggering proportions, making up about 20% of the Earth's total land area. It's not just a country, it's a vast collection of 54 countries, each with its own unique geography and culture. Fact number 2. Africa is the only continent to be crossed by both the prime meridian and the equator. This unique geographical distinction means Africa exists in all 4 hemispheres: northern, southern, eastern, and western. The point where the equator and the prime meridian intersect, coordinates 0 degrees latitude and 0 degrees longitude, is located in the Atlantic Ocean, specifically in the Gulf of Guinea, just off the coast of West Africa. This spot is sometimes playfully called Null Island, but its geographical significance for Africa is very real. It's a testament to the continent's central position on our planet. Moving on to number 3, Africa has more countries than any other continent. With 54 sovereign nations, Africa is a vibrant mosaic of cultures, languages, and landscapes. To put that in perspective, Asia has 48 countries, Europe has 44, North America has 23, South America has 12. This incredible diversity means that traveling through Africa can feel like visiting dozens of different worlds. From the bustling markets of Morocco to the serene savannas of Tanzania, the variety is simply unparalleled. Each country offers a unique experience, shattering the common misconception of Africa as a monolithic entity. Okay, number 4 is a cool one. The world's largest desert is not in Africa, but the world's largest hot desert is. Let me explain. The largest desert on Earth is actually the Antarctic Polar Desert. But when you think of a classic desert sand dunes, scorching sun, camels, you're thinking of a hot desert. And in that category, Africa's Sahara Desert is the undisputed king. It's the largest hot desert in the world, spanning an area roughly the size of the entire United States. It stretches across 11 countries in North Africa and is a place of extreme temperatures and breathtaking, otherworldly landscapes. So, while it's not the biggest overall, it's definitely the biggest of its kind. Fact number 5 might surprise you. More people speak French in Africa than in France. Yes, you heard that correctly. Due to colonial history, French became an official language in many African nations. Today, the continent is home to the largest number of French speakers in the world. Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, is actually the world's largest French-speaking city, surpassing even Paris. This linguistic fact highlights the deep and complex historical ties between Europe and Africa, and how those connections have shaped the cultural landscape of the continent today. Let's talk about rivers for number 6. Africa's Nile River is famous for being the longest river in the world. But here's a twist. The Congo River is the world's deepest. Plunging to depths of over 220 meters or 720 feet, the Congo River is so deep that light can't even reach its bottom. This incredible depth, combined with its powerful currents, makes it the second largest river by discharge volume, after the Amazon. It carves a massive path through the heart of Africa, supporting an incredible ecosystem and millions of people. It's a true giant, hiding its most dramatic feature beneath the surface. Ready for number 7? Africa has a ski resort. When you think of Africa, skiing is probably the last thing that comes to mind. But in the high Atlas Mountains of Morocco, you'll find Al Khamidin, a popular ski resort just a short drive from Marrakesh. And it's not the only one. Slutu, a small mountainous country completely surrounded by South Africa, also has a ski resort called Afriski. It's known as the Kingdom in the Sky for good reason. Snow in Africa? Absolutely. It's a perfect example of the continent's surprising climatic diversity. Fact number 8 is about lakes. Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa, is so big it has its own weather system. Shared by Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania, this massive body of water influences local climate patterns, generating its own rain and wind. It's the world's largest tropical lake and the second largest freshwater lake by surface area. The lake's sheer size creates a phenomenon known as a lake effect, where moisture from the water evaporates, forms clouds, and leads to frequent thunderstorms, especially in the evenings. It's a powerful force of nature that shapes the lives of the millions who live around its shores. Let's move to number 9. There are penguins in Africa. When you picture penguins, you probably think of icy Antarctica. But a species called the African penguin lives on the coastlines of South Africa and Namibia. They hang out on sandy beaches and rocky shores, trading snow for sun. You can visit them at places like Boulders Beach near Cape Town, where they waddle among the tourists. These charming birds are a wonderful reminder that Africa's wildlife is full of surprises and goes far beyond the big 5 safari animals. And finally, fact number 10. The continent is literally splitting apart. In East Africa, a geological phenomenon known as the East African Rift is slowly tearing the continent in two. This rift is a massive crack in the Earth's crust that stretches for thousands of kilometers, from the Afar Triangle in Ethiopia down to Mozambique. Over millions of years, this process will eventually create a new ocean and a new smaller continent. You can actually see the evidence on the ground, with massive fissures and volcanic activity shaping the landscape. It's geology in action, a slow but powerful process that is reshaping Africa before our very eyes. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts about Africa that prove how diverse, complex, and surprising this continent truly is. From penguins on the beach to ski resorts in the mountains, Africa defies all stereotypes. Which facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing facts about our world. See you next time.